it was we celebrate in the for the birthday of Mr. Mokshundam Visvesvaraya. He was
Is it birthday or something?
today was his birthday, sir.
इसका मतलब सुबह न्यूज़ जो रेडियो पे गलत इंफॉर्मेशन चल रही थी। एक वो बोलती है कि प्रधानमंत्री ने श्रद्धांजलि दी। तो मैं कंफ्यूज था कि यार ये क्या हो सकता है यार अक्सर पता नहीं होता वो कर देते हैं ना। मैं इसीलिए डाउटफुल हुआ कि यार वेरीफाई करूंगा तभी पता चलेगा।
Most of our system, these pipes are in circular shape.
Yes.
Why not rectangular and why circular pipes?
So we have two reasons. First is rectangular shape is easy to manufacture because it has less stress concentration and there are various methods to form circular. And second one is there is less loss, less and ease.
Rectangular is easy or circular is easy?
Circular is much easier as compared to
rectangular.
No, sir, I just told circular pipes, making circular pipe is much easier as compared to rectangular pipes.
Okay. Then what else?
Less losses as compared to rectangular. In rectangular there will be more losses as compared to circular.
Which pipe can resist more pressure than circular or rectangular?
It will definitely be circular.
What are the stresses generated in circular pipe?
Hoop stresses, and if the fluid is having high temperature, then it will be thermal stresses as well.
Who strain what is a stress induced strain or strain induces stress?
Sir, as such, generally we relate these two, but both are sometimes independent also.
Which induces that? Which causes stress or strain?
Sir, in case of thermal stresses, there is no if there is no restriction to increase length of the object, then strain will be there, but there will be no stresses. So,
and what is the role of pressure? Pressure induces what?
it will induce stress, and as stress induces, strain will also be there.
But the stress strain they don't induce it, it is the pressure which induces.
Yes, external applied force.
And now we must have heard in expressways.
Yes, sir.
There is a lot of cases of tire burst.
Yes, sir.
So what are the causes and what are the remedies?
Sir, in case of Yamuna Expressway, that is built by JP, sir, they have used concrete for the whole expressway. For making whole expressway, they have used concrete cement. So there is thermal stresses, as the temperature absorbing capacity, or I must say I am not using correct word, as the thermal temperature absorbing capacity is less, so it transmits temperature to the tires and air get inflated. As the temperature increases, expansion of air takes place, that cause bursting of tires.
What are the remedies?
Sir,
How can we reduce?
by using different materials that can reduce this effect, or that can mitigate the effect of temperature.
Materials like?
Some composite, I am not generally more I have limited knowledge about this.
Air which is filled in tires.
Yes, sir.
So if you fill from different air, will it have effect?
Yes, sir, definitely. If we use in tubeless tire, we are using nitrogen as a.
What is the impact of nitrogen?
Sir, I am not sure, but it has to be something related with thermal expansion of the air. I am not sure.
What's the difference between electric motor and generator?
Sir, the purpose basically which is divided. First, electric generator, it will generate the electricity, means if shaft is rotating, then after magnetic flux, the lines of magnetic flux line get obstructed, then electricity will be generated. So we will call it electrical generator. And electrical motor, the basic purpose is opposite that of generator. Means by using electricity, we have to revolve the or the rotate the shaft.
One of your hobby, extracurricular activity, teaching.
Yes, sir.
So why you want to join the services when you have such a very good extracurricular activity interest?
Yes, sir. Teaching, basically I just have learned about framing technique. That then I started teaching, and after some time I just teaching is one of the reason to help, one of method to help my juniors and batchmates during my college. So it is just like helping.
But some say if you make the your hobby the interest as a your job,
Yes, sir.
then you will grow better than you know.
Yes, sir.
So
Sir, as of now, if I will join teaching, then I will definitely not be an IAS officer after some time, because as the age crosses, I will not be able to appear again. But teaching after completion of my engineering services, I can continue teaching, and during also when I go to home, I teach fellow students of my colony. So uh, simultaneously, I am also continuing teaching. So there is no matter of joining teaching. I do not want my hobby as my profession. I am more concentrating about engineering
tell
services.
me about Vikramaditya.
Sir, Vikramaditya was a ruler in the central India, central part of India. Basically, he ruled in Vidisha region of Madhya Pradesh. He was very much famous for his judiciary skills.
So tell me about the Rafael scam.
Sir,
Is it a scam?
I would not. No, I'm sorry, sir, but I am not agree with you saying it is a scam. It is a procurement deal which is held between Indian government of India and the Dassault company of Germany. I'm not aware whether it is a scam or not, but it is procurement deal of purchasing Rafale jet from the Germany.
What do you think we should make in India these kind of jets or weapons?
Sir, as Ministry of Defence has itself said 2 days ago that HAL was not able to manufacture it in India due to some reasons, or the capability of the HAL was not in as competent as the other counterparts that they have chosen. So this is the reason. It is as mentioned in the newspaper, official verdict of the Miss
The
Nirmala
government is
Sitharaman.
moving for more and more nuclear energy,
Yes, sir.
right? But Germany is boycotting nuclear energy and some other European countries also.
Yes.
So what do you think we should think about it before moving any further?
Yes, sir. Sir, as of now, we do not have much nuclear power generating thermal stations, and at this point of time, we are needing much more than that. Means we are requiring thermal power, nuclear generation more than that, because uh, all the benefits related with it will not release as much NOx and SOx as compared to thermal power plants. So as of now, we are much in need, because we do not have developed much renewable energy resources as compared to Germany, because Germany has used much of its solar power energy, and wind power is also one of the reason. But in India, infrastructure development has
They
not
also
been.
had a nuclear energy, 80%, 90% were from nuclear energy. Then they shifted it. But there must be some consequences of using nuclear energy. That's why they have shifted to the renewable resources like solar and hydro again.
Some I'm having limited knowledge about this, but I think that there may be disposal of the nuclear waste might be the one of the major reasons about this.
So we do you know India is a power surplus country.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure? The surplus country.
Yes, sir. We are, sir. We are generating.
Still we are not have production to the people. Electricity production is not fully implemented.
Yes, sir.
How
This
can
is
it be a surplus country?
Sir. This is one of the drawback, because electricity consumption has not been provided to the very people. That's why government has started Saubhagya Yojana to provide it to the.
My question is whether India is power surplus country. Would you agree with this statement?
Yes, sir. India is power surplus.
Please explain why it is power surplus country.
Sir, I'm not having the factual data, but I've read in the newspaper that the electricity generation.
Deficit of the deficit food हो गया.
Yes, sir.
Being an engineer, you are a mechanical engineer. From an electric institute. जो भी उसको बोलेगा मान जाओ.
Sir, the
वही वाली बात आ रही है कि चलो अखबार में आई है बात अच्छी ही होगी. आप तो पता चल चुका है सबको.
sir, the production of
अखबार
electricity.
वाले तो ये नहीं कह रहे कि रफाल के इस काम तो फिर अभी मना कर दिए.
Sir, as some political parties are saying that they are just quoting.
My question is very simple.
Yes, sir.
Whether India is power surplus country or not. If
Yes.
surplus, yes, then give me some reasons why this is surplus.
Sir, the word surplus itself indicates about the production and the consumption. The total total power tariff, power consumption of India, as when we take electricity connection, then we submit about how much power we are going to consume.
इस तरह से तो 1970s में surplus थे. भी नहीं हो. काहे को बोला रहे थे? कोई लक्षण ही नहीं है.
Yes.
जो भी है दो चार लोगों को दे रखा है. उनके कनेक्शन रिक्वायरमेंट एंड जनरेशन surplus. नहीं होनी चाहिए.
So we are supplying electricity to the Nepal and Bhutan as well, sir. But I am not having exact data.
सप्लाई तो हम तब्दील भी करते हैं. तो क्या हम लोग वही सर्विस हो गए?
No, sir, not all of them. As a, it has to be related with export and import or something.
So, can you differentiate between pipe and tubes?
Sir, basic difference is related with working or the work they
I'm
perform.
asking you engineering point of view, not layman.
Sir, the diameter is one of the criteria. Yes, sir.
What is that?
Sir, the diameter of the pipe is generally more than that of the tube. Sir, I am not able to recollect it. It has to be related to the diameter and the length or the thickness of the tube.
Length, thickness and diameter, only you are on the right track. Diameter is a concern.
Yes, sir.
What which dia? In
Inner
dia,
dia,
outer dia.
Yes, sir. In pipe, we are more concerned about the inner dia.
Pipe.
Yes, sir. In pipe, and in tube, we categorize it as outer dia, or we generally refer it with outer dia. In pipe, we think about inner dia.
Okay. Have you studied about wire drawing?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Sir, in wire drawing, by using shear and tensile forces, we decreases the diameter of the workpiece
By using shear and tensile forces.
and tensile
What
forces.
is that?
Sir,
You are required to make a wire of dia 0.1 mm.
yes, sir.
How you will make it?
Sir, as the diameter is very less, so it has to be go by successive wire drawing operation. Basically, wire drawing of the mechanism of wire drawing operation is we have to flatten the very.
Area reduction ratio.
Sir,
In wire drawing.
yes, sir. A naught by A1 means initial area upon final area. Final area upon initial area. Generally, 63.2% maximum reduction can be taken
What is
place.
actual?
In close to 50%, because the pressure which has to be applied is.
Last question. Any idea of the lubricants in the metal working processes?
Yes. Various one is sometimes we use air as a work cooling fluid in operation of.
I'm asking you mental working.
Sorry, sir, I am not able to get you.
So Shimanshu, you're from Reva.
Yes, sir.
What is Reva famous for?
Rewa is famous for white tigers. World's first white tiger Mohan was firstly found in the Rewa, and second it is also famous for Supadi ki Kinore, betel nuts toy.
As recently, in a report of RBI, the report said all the demonetized notes came back to Bank of India,
Yes, sir.
more than 10%.
Yes,
So
sir.
what do you think? What are your views on demonetization?
Sir, demonetization was well-intended process, and it has reached to much of its targets. One of them increasing the infrastructure for digital transaction, which it has acquired, and also the number of taxpayers that was earlier 8 November, and now it has increased to more than twofold, or more than 100% increment has been there.
And what is your view on Aadhaar and right to privacy? There is a lot of debate going on.
Yes.
Aadhaar is invading our privacy. Do you think it is invading our privacy or do you think it is justified?
Sir, as Aadhaar is well intended process for DBT, it makes DBT very easier, and as in the verdict of Supreme Court, it has said that right to privacy must be upheld, and as we increase the infrastructure or security of the data, if we increase the security, then it must be led to very development status for them.
What do you understand by ethics in engineering?
Sir, ethics is very much important for the profession, for the engineering profession, as nowadays we are seeing many things which are unethical. So, ethics will definitely lead to a very transparent and accountable engineering aspects.
What ethical values should an engineer have?
Sir, there are many like integrity, accountability, cohesiveness, transparency, and many more.
What are your weaknesses?
Sir, sometimes I do not ask for help from others, sir. It sometimes leads me to rediscover the wheels. Wheels means sometime which is easily available, and I can do the task in less time. But but I generally don't prefer to ask for help. So it it takes longer time than the.
You are going to be an officer.
Yes, sir.
So you will need your staff to work, right?
Yes, sir.
You need your help from your colleagues.
Yes, sir.
You need to be a team leader.
Yes, sir.
How would you get work done from time?
So now I'm improving. Now I'm working on my. But I am ensuring that after the completion of work, they should report me, so that I get ensured that whether work has completed to its desired task, desired target or result or not.
Tell me some important news of last week.
Sir, PM Asha, new government scheme for procurement of agriculture product for as per the MSP is very much in news, and another one is of related with biofuel policy of government of India, which has been said, and bankruptcy, insolvency and bankruptcy code that government has, and related 377 government has Supreme Court has make it is unconstitutional. Yes, sir. And today's news about government work related to increase, curb the depreciation of the money, and various projects related with.
What steps government has taken?
So government has thinking about some steps. One of them is issuing rupee denominated masala bonds till the 31st of March 2019. And the government also thinking about the curbing the exports which are not as useful as they ought to be, because it leads to outflowing of the in cash. And uh, yes,
You belong to Viva.
yes sir,
It is in MP.
yes sir,
Jabalpur is nearby.
yes sir,
Have you heard about Osho?
yes sir.
You can brief me about it.
Sir, Osho is another name is Rajni. He has gained his knowledge in the Jabalpur near the Gwari Ghat, sir. And he is a saint. He is not only famous in India, he is also famous in USA.
What is his philosophy?
Sir, he has. I'm having limited knowledge about him, but
Whatever limited, we will explore from there.
sir, it has to be dealt with meditation and submitting one's thoughts or body to the God, sir.
What is meditation? Technically, he has asked him.
Yes, sir.
That's why I choose to.
Some meditation is related with cutting your ties or mental ties with the surrounding
Means
atmosphere.
it is equivalent to death. So we love death.
No, no sir, death and meditation.
How they are different?
In meditation, there is very single line. Very
In meditation, you are cutting ties with your body and your mind and the surrounding.
No,
In
sir.
death also it is the same.
Sir, in death, in meditation, we are more in the concise state, concise mind or something. But in death, all the science, conscience, and sub-sciences, all the minds get lost in power, and body does not work at all.
Only it is the same. Only in this, it is a reversible process that is irreversible.
Yes, sir.
Death.
More
That's
often.
all.
Yes.
Only it looks like same.
Yes.
But he said that all this, her especially religions,
Yes, sir.
they are appeal come. They give appeal to the people and they are unconscious.
Yes, sir.
And it is one of the most killer thing for the humanity.
Yes.
What is your view on it?
Sir, as a fiend cuts the connection.
What is your view on this view? What is your view? Whether you buy this idea or you deny this idea? That idea.
Sir, every person in this country has its own way of religious practice and all this, sir.
Okay. Now you tell me, in your subject itself, you place all the materials before you use. You have defined testing color, test procedure, and you use material to material or product to product. You do like that. Normally we do that.
Yes, sir.
You're right. But human character, which is very complex in nature, you want to define a certain frame to impose on. It is scientific.
Sir,
It is scientific.
sir, it is more related with prejudice and
No, I
stereotype.
am simply, from science point of view. Achha, okay. You can make difference between science and technology.
Sir, science is
I want to know with physical things right now. One is knowledge.
yes, sir.
Right? Our simple system. You just
Yes.
knowledge,
Yes, sir.
science,
Yes, sir.
technology, and skill. What is difference between these four systems?
Can I take some time?
नहीं ऐसे बोल रहे हैं तो सरफेस में मैं समझ रहा हूँ आप कहाँ लेके जा रहे हैं
Sir, if we talk about science, science is
हमने आपको मैट्रिक फ्लो चार्ट दिया फ्लो के हिसाब से I am starting with the knowledge,
yes, sir.
then I am coming to science, then I am coming to technology, then I am coming to skill.
Sir, knowledge is related with the all are interrelated, sir. Sir, if we say knowledge, then science is
Go
all.
and solve this puzzle
Yes.
with your friends.
Yes, sir. If we apply science, science is related with the concept behind whatever happening inside us. And if we apply science, then technology will occur, and the
Make a
person.
move out of it and then you come back. अभी आप लोगों ने आइए हम देता है
Yes.
ठीक है
Yes.
this generation will start thinking on it and using on it तो आपके 2-4 जनरेशन के बाद पूरा ठीक है
Yes.
You know what are these greenfield projects? Greenfield projects.
So, it has to be related with some renewable energy. Right?
You are doing that.
So green field project I have never heard of.
Carbon credits.
Yes, sir. Carbon credits. It is related with sustainable development goals, in which there are two types of countries in the world. One is developed and developing countries, and as I am explaining it with the example of DMRC, as Japan has given money to the Delhi government or government of India to establish DMRC project. It is decreasing the amount of NOx and SOx and particulate matter. So by incorporating the renewable and environmental friendly projects, government of Japan has earned some carbon credits, and which gives the Japan to explore more things which are not as good for environment as it has to be.
So this metro is earning carbon credits. This is the way they are earning the carbon.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the impact of GST on industries?
Sir, as the tax collection has increased and GST makes all the problems, GST solve all the problems related with earlier tax. With
What is the impact on industries? Because efficiency has improved.
yes, sir,
profit has
efficiency
improved.
has improved. The cumbersome and tedious process that earlier industries has to follow, all the gone through. Now it has been decreases with the help of GST. Efficiency definitely increases, and all the time is now implemented on some more productive works.
They will be able to receive
Yes, sir.
all the best.
Thank you so much.
अगर कुछ है इस तरह की कंफ्यूज